If you work in pharma, medical devices, or regulated manufacturing, there's a question your training software needs to be able to answer, and most of them can't. Not, did this employee complete their training? That's the easy question. The question that matters is this: was this specific person trained on the current version of the specific procedure governing their task before they perform that task with a tamper-evident record that proves it? Those are not the same question. And the gap between them is where Form 483 observations get written. Generic employee training software, the kind built for corporate onboarding and annual HR compliance, was designed to answer the first question. It tracks completions, it generates dashboards. It tells an HR director that 94% of the workforce completed their annual training. That's genuinely useful for a corporate L&D function. It is not useful when an FDA investigator asks for the training record for the operator who ran a specific batch on a specific date and wants to know which version of the governing SOP they were trained on before they ran it. In a regulated environment, the training record is not evidence of learning. It is evidence of authorization. An operator who performs a manufacturing step before completing required training hasn't missed a checkbox. They've performed an unqualified operation. The temporal sequence is a regulatory requirement, not a best practice. That means the software producing the record needs version-specific linkage. It needs a 21 CFR Part 11 compliant audit trail that captures modifications, not just completions. It needs electronic signatures that meet Section 11.50, capturing the signer's name, the date and time, and the meaning of the signature. And it needs to connect to your CAPA and change control workflows so that when a procedure changes, the retraining assignment follows automatically. With FDA inspection activity increasing and the QMSR now in full effect, the cost of getting this wrong has never been higher. We've put together a complete guide to what employee training software must deliver in regulated industries. Link in the description. Subscribe for more quality management content that actually helps when it counts.